and today I'm going to be putting this white slime into a huge bucket of Orbeez, and we're gonna see what happens. And this is my friend Gracie. She lives right next to me, so it's super fun because we get to play with each other all the time. So yeah, let's get started.
Wait, we should put in like a little bit of Orbeez. Oh my gosh.
It's so sticky.
Really? Okay, let's split it in half.
Okay, so we're both gonna do this at the same time. Okay, I'm scared. I'm just gonna put in one at a time, but they're like all wet and they're slipping off.
Okay, I'm gonna use this a beautiful clear one, and I'm just gonna.
I put in a blue one, so I'm just mixing it in.
I'm gonna stick it in there.
They just.
How about an orange one?
Oh, they just fall right out.
Wait,
it's so
like
crazy.
it won't stick. It won't like.
And this is super sticky slime.
Oh my god! Oh.
It's super sticky. So it's like, how does it just fall out?
Let me show you a visual. You put it. Oh wait, and then you just squeeze it like that. Okay.
Ah!
There it is. Oh, wow. Maybe we need to squish up the Orbeez.
Yeah, I think you need to just break it. Here, let's play with it over the Orbeez bucket.
Okay.
They're
we
just
have to
all
use our
falling out.
nails to like break it.
They're falling out like fishbowl beads. That's so weird. I do not like this. This is not working. I'm gonna put in a yellow one right now. And by the way, there's like 10 colors, including clear.
So you squish it.
I can't
like
squish it.
So.
Like
so. Oh. I'll pick those up after the video.
Okay. Yeah. The whole.
So I'm just gonna grab a whole handful. Oh, and then just squeeze it.
They're all just gonna fall out.
No, it's not.
Okay. It's all sticky to my hands. Okay, so now there is
Oh
orange.
my god, what is happening? Why is yours so perfect?
Oh, because I'm perfect. Okay.
Yeah, because you're an alien.
Totally.
Okay, why is mine like melting?
You just have to get it off your hands, like so.
Like so.
Okay. I'm gonna add in a clear one now. Squish it. Oh, that actually worked. Wow. Okay. Oh, you're just like going everywhere.
I don't like this.
I think because I got a smaller piece. I feel like you just gave me the smaller piece because you wanted to. You wanted the bigger piece. Orbeez pieces going everywhere, all over
Ready?
the floor.
I'm gonna get all of these.
Timer. That did not sound satisfying.
It's satisfying. You just couldn't hear it.
No, it's not.
Wait, ready? Be quiet. What the heck? Where did all of my slime even go?
Oh, it's all going into the Orbeez.
No, it's just Orbeez and no slime. Well,
It's okay. Mine is working. It just has like 0 Orbeez in it.
I think the Orbeez are melting it, or maybe I'm just horrible at this. Wait, what the heck? Why is mine so sticky? Take it.
Oh my!
I know.
This is so sticky. What the heck? Ah! Why did you put all the Orbeez in there? Daddy! Ah! No, it's Gracie! Gracie, stop it! You're getting it all over me. Yeah, you're gonna have to wash your hands. But
Oh,
first-
really?
Yeah. Now it's getting all over my hands. This is super sticky. Okay, I think I'm gonna get rid of this slime after the video because I do not think it can stay in
Or
the
maybe
bag
we can
any
put it
longer.
in your one big slime.
Oh yeah, check out the last video. I made a big
There's
ginormous
hair
slime.
all in my mouth and I can't get it out.
Ew, that looks so gross.
This is a fail. I don't know how those people are like putting Orbeez in slime. Well,
But it was originally sticky, so I think you need like a really
this
stiff
is what the
slime, maybe?
slime turned into.
Oh,
Wait.
that is not ASMR.
No, just be quiet for a second.
Okay, that does sound nice.
That was the slime, I promise.
But then I'm gonna go make like a really stiff slime. Like I'm gonna overactivate it or something like that. And then I'm gonna try and put the Orbeez in it. And see what happens.
Okay, yeah.
Well, we're gonna do it. That's so gross. Gracie! That's so disgusting. Oh, Gracie!
Ta-da! We made a new slime.
Yeah. Okay.
So, let me take. It's not as sticky as the other one.
It's still a little bit sticky.
It's a little bit sticky, but I
I
think we figured out what was making it so sticky last time.
I think it was like the water, where
Yeah, the water. We think it was.
Yeah, this one is actually pretty stiff.
Yeah, it's pretty stiff, but it's like.
So Gracie's not gonna crush hers, and I am definitely gonna crush mine.
I'm gonna try not to crush that because I just think that it'll be more Orbeez.
Okay, so far they're not really sticking.
It's not like becoming sticky.
Orbeez on the couch. Orbeez.
Okay, we'll
Orbeez.
come back to you when we put a few more in. Okay. So I've been noticing that my Orbeez are kind of like breaking anyway, so I'm just gonna break them too.
Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
And comment what day of July you think my birthday is.
Yeah. Okay.
And also comment if like you ever tried Orbeez slime and if it actually worked.
Yeah. Well, mine worked. Hers just didn't because she's
Or like if you
a loser. Okay, bye.